You bought CarTube, and when you connect your phone to the car, you can't see the app. As you see here, guys, you don't see any CarTube here. Then you watch tutorials on YouTube how to get CarTube for free. You see all these guys getting it for free, that it is really legit, but for you it is not working. How is this possible? So I bought CarTube, and when I open it I just get a white screen. And then if I try to connect my phone to the car, I see every app except CarTube. Then I tried watching tutorials on YouTube how to get CarTube for free, going to a website, achieving some levels on a game, and then you can install CarTube for free. But when I try it, I only have the option to fill in 2 enquêtes, and when I do that, it doesn't redirect me back to the website where to install CarTube for free. So I started to search on the internet if it is possible to use CarTube in the Netherlands, because I'm Dutch, and it seems that CarTube is legally forbidden here in the Netherlands, and that is why nothing works. I noticed that people who live in the USA, Australia, they can use CarTube and get it for free. So guys, just go quick on the internet if CarTube it is available in your country, and then you find out immediately if it is possible.